Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2016 Beta 300RR. This is Beta's full-size off-road trail motorcycle. Has the 293cc single-cylinder two-stroke engine, electric start, 6-speed transmission. This bike is clean title, has 162 hours on it. Beautiful electric start, makes it super easy to start. This bike is well set up. Has the nice radiator guards, pipe guard, skid plate. Has the Guts Racing soft seat foam. Set up with a Scott's dampener mount. And a great price at only $49.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.